the stretching phase. The minimum to upgrade phase. For the directive. Switch ID terminal meetings.
A robotic system deftly opens each tuna half. Once meticulously cleaned, the tuna halves are carefully transferred to the next conveyor belt. Each tuna cut passes through advanced scanning technology for meticulous quality control and precise measurement.
Cubic products.
Automated machinery hydrates large water miss. Subsequent automation further slices these sections into smaller, product. Robotic arms meticulously dispense fresh ice onto each tray of tuna.
The expansive factory showcases multiple parallel conveyor belts, each laden with tuna steak portions.
Another automated machine precisely seals vacuum-packed tuna portions, ensuring airtight packaging for optimal preservation. The automated sealing machine meticulously caps each tuna can, ensuring airtight freshness and product integrity. Dedicated workers meticulously monitor the advanced packaging machines. The securely wrapped pallets of tuna products are then moved into a vast cold storage facility, maintaining optimal temperatures for preservation.